Now, when you're working with lists and there are lots of things in those lists, sometimes you just need to quickly find where something is in that list. And Python has a way of doing that, and it will find the index of where that thing is in that list. So, how does this work? So, I'm going to create a variable here, and I'm going to call it letters, and I am going to basically then create a whole load of things in that list. All right, so I'm just going to go for alphabet characters just because they're easy, and we generally know, don't we, where things are in the alphabet, and we can work them out. So it'll be easy to test if this is the case. So I'll just go as far as E, just so we can see basically how that works. Okay, so I've got now a tuple, and more about that later, which contains A, B, C, D, and E. So what I want to do now is basically I want to print letters dot index, and which character am I going to be looking for? Well, let's just see where the letter C is. Okay. So it should now tell me where in that list is the index of the letter C. Oh, hang on a minute. I need to put, because it's a string. Okay, so, it tells me it's at place 2. Now, A, B, C. That's the third letter of the alphabet. Why is it at place 2? Why? Well, because where do computers start counting? Well, they don't start counting at 1, do they? They start counting at 0. 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. Where's the index of C? Well, it's actually at number 2. So just to prove that this is the case, if we do the index of A, that's at 0. Okay, so we have to remember all the time, and we've said this before, that computers start counting at 0. So the first thing in your list is always going to be 0.